What's the meaning of cable news network? Cable news network. Cable news network.
Cable news network. Cable news network. The term cable news network refers to a news channel that operates through cable television. The cable news network, commonly known as CNN, was the first 24-hour news network in the world and has since become one of the most widely recognized news organizations globally. CNN provides comprehensive coverage of news events both domestically and internationally, and its programming includes breaking news stories, feature stories, analysis, opinion, and documentaries. The network is renowned for its live reporting, which often features reporters on the ground at major news events, giving viewers a real-time perspective of developments as they unfold.